Hey guys, welcome to Testing Universe. In this video, we will see how to install Eclipse IDE on Windows operating system. If you want to install Eclipse, there is a prerequisite. We need to install Java in the system. If you don't know how to install Java, you can check my Java installation videos. You will get a fair idea, and then that is the prerequisite. You have to install Java and then you should install Eclipse. So what are the steps? Right? So from the eclipse.org website, we have to download Eclipse binary and then we have to install the Eclipse in our system, right? So let's go to our browser and then go to google.com, type download Eclipse. Okay, so it will give you a link where eclipse.org and downloads link will be there. Just click on this particular link. It will take you to the respective downloads page of Eclipse Foundation. Or if you directly come to eclipse.org, right? If you directly come to eclipse.org, there will be a link called download. If you click on that, you will land in the same page. And this is the latest version which will be available here. If you want to download older versions, click on download packages and then you can download older versions. It is always a best practice to download latest version and make the use of all the fixes or whatever errors they have fixed in the previous from the previous versions, as well as any new features they have added. It is advantageous to have the latest version. Click on download. Once you click on download, it will take you to a mirror page and then once again click on download, right? An exe will start downloading. I will just cancel this because I have already downloaded Eclipse in my system. So this is the exe Eclipse installation JRE Windows 64. This is how it looks like. So this is the exe. I am going to double click on this to install. So Eclipse installation wizard will open. So Eclipse installation wizard has been opened. You can see here. It is taking some time to load. For the first time, it will take some time to load. And Eclipse comes with a lot of different, uh, flavors, or I would say different binaries for simple Java developers, or if you want to have basic programming of Java, Eclipse IDE for Java developers is more than sufficient. If you want to develop enterprise applications, this is a bit heavyweight. You can go for this. Similarly, for C++ developers and then right embedded C++, lot of different flavors are there. So in this particular video, we'll be concentrating on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Just click on this and then you can see here if you have already installed Java, the Java installed path will be automatically picked up by the installer, and then you should it will give you some default installation path, but I'm going to set my own path. I'm going to install in this particular softwares directory only. I'm Hold on a second, just click on this and then set the path over here. So this is where I'm going to install my Eclipse, right? So create start menu. These things are pretty fine. And then click on install. Only these two things you need to do. Only prerequisite, as I have mentioned, Java should be mandatorily installed in the system, because you can see here, over here it has picked up the Java version I have installed in my system, and then provide the installation folder. If you want to keep it to default, you can keep it to default, or if you want to provide your own specific directory, just click here and then select that particular directory and then click on install. It is going to take some time to install. Once the installation has been completed, right, you can see here in this particular directory, whichever I have selected, a directory has been created which is Eclipse. Let us wait until the installation completes, and then for the first time it will take some time. I'm going to pause my video and then once the installation complete, I will resume back. You can see here the installation has been completed. If it is successfully installed without any errors, you will get this particular launch icon. And then you have readme file open in System Explorer. In the sense, when you click on this, it will take you to the installation folder where Eclipse has been installed, that specific directory. And then this is the application. This is the application which you need to open. This is Eclipse. Or from here, for the first time, you can launch from here, or you can directly go here and double click on this. Else, just go to your desktop. Go to your desktop. You can see here in the desktop one icon has been created. If you have checked that, so one icon has been created, that also you can launch. For now, I will just click on launch. When I am recording this video, the version is 2022-06. When you are downloading, it might be a different version, but the installation process is same. So for the first time, it is going to ask for the workspace. So what do you mean by this workspace? Workspace is nothing but is a directory where all your projects will be, whatever projects you are going to create, those will be stored in that particular workspace. It is nothing but the repository of the projects you are going to work on. So I'm going to choose my own user specific workspace. So this is the workspace path I have created. You can keep it to default, or just click on browse, and then you can create one directory and then put that path here. Click on launch. When you click on launch, you can see here if the directory is not present, it is going to create the directory, and then one metadata file will be created. This is the workspace. Here, whatever projects we are going to create will be stored. Let us wait until Eclipse IDE launches. So for the first time, it will be showing like this, like review IDE configuration settings. So you can ignore all these things. Just cancel this. And then this is how the entire, Eclipse IDE page looks like. So you will be having a lot of menu items as well as project package explorer. This is where you will be creating more than one project or more than one project, as well as in the middle you will be editing your entire code, and then in this space you will be finding some errors and then console logs and all these things, and then some outline will also be there. You can ignore this for now. So this is how you have to install Eclipse in your operating system. So this is the same process for all other things. So if you want, you can create a Java project. In our upcoming sessions, we will see how to create a Java project and then how to work on that. Thank you so much for watching.